Today I'm gonna make buñuelos, Colombian buñuelos. This is what I'm gonna use. There are several type of buñuelo brands out there. Here are the instructions. You could make them from scratch, but I don't. If you're lucky enough to find this type of cheese, queso costeño, Colombian style hard cheese, then you can do that. I normally don't have access to this cheese, so I normally use crumbling cheese. Now, if you want to, you can just use the crumbling cheese for the amount that the box says. For me, I do this for 3 quarts, and then I do 1 quart of like a Parmesan cheese. And in this, I normally use this one for this particular recipe. Or even when I do pan de yucas or pan de bonos, I do the same mix. According to the recipe, we need 24 ounces of cheese. Now this particular cheese is 16 ounces, so I did 1.5. It's time to grate the cheese. No, I'm not gonna use that. This is what I'm gonna use, the salad shooter. I really like it. Works just like anyone, but I really enjoy this one. So some of it came out like this. The second one we did, and the first half we did doesn't matter, either or. It's gonna mix. All right, let's see, what else does the box say? We're gonna put this now. Now we're gonna put 2 eggs. You can put them like that whole, or you can mix them and then put them in, whatever you want. I've never used a mixer to do this. I've always done it by hand. I could try one of these days using a mixer. Alright, so now I need to add, this is half a cup of milk. I need to add milk to it, but we're gonna add it slowly. So if you put all of it, and that's too much, then it's going to be soggy, it's not gonna have the correct consistency, and then we don't have more meal to add. I'm just going to continue adding some more milk, little by little, until I get the consistency I want. By the way, that noise that you hear throughout the whole video, it's just because I have the fan on, because I have that oil burning. think we're almost there. Let's try it. I don't know, maybe a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Not all the recipes are going to carry the same amount of liquid. And some people like to use water rather than milk. And it's all going to vary on the cheese that you use. In this case, I used the queso costeño. I prefer to use the other Mexican, the crumbling cheese. That's my preference. And if I need to add queso costeño, then I could do like half queso costeño and then half crumbling cheese. I prefer the taste better. But it's just what you like. You use the cheese that you like. But then it's going to be adjusted for that liquid. And that's why I have to put little by little the amount of liquid. Just to make sure that I don't overdo it. I just added another 1/4 of a cup. We'll see if that's enough or not. I added a little bit more milk. Not all, just a little bit. It's almost there, but not quite. Now, this is what you're going to be left with. Now, you can feel the cheese, so you're not kneading it until it becomes, you know, like a bread, like a pizza dough. No. I mean, it is very soft, but you can feel the pieces of cheese in there. You can make them, I think this is like a regular size one, something like this. About, right, that's 4.3. So about 5 ounces is, I think, the standard size if you're in Colombia and you buy one. Now this is gonna grow. I like small ones. $2.6, okay. I don't weigh them. Okay, I'm just this is just for show. So when you do this, you're not pressing it, you're not squishing it. You're just softly making a circle. And it doesn't have to be perfect, because even if you put it in a little bit oblong, it's gonna make a circle for itself, because it's gonna start to spin. Remember to have your oil ready while we prepare the mix dough. There we go. Now we're gonna try those. Thank you for watching how to make the Colombian buñuelo dough. Next step, frying the buñuelos on the Instant Pot.